Hi guys, CJ on the Lake here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a SCP-049 model as well as SCP-049J. This somewhat different version of him. So let's get into this. To start off, you'll want to go under packages and do Gunslinger. Sorry if I don't type things fully. It'll usually pop. Go under height and set the body height for lower height to the max, and then adjust like so. You want to set every aspect of this to naturally black. Alright. Here we go. Let me remove my hair real quick, just so it makes it a bit easier. Now, if it does show up like this, there's some fine tuning you can do. Go under position, and then edit like so. Hats. Now you want to do hooded Space Lord, so it's this one. Okay. Now for the shirt, it will be, once this loads here, I'll have a link in the description for the shirts and pants. Once I do make the video a bit better. Alright. So go under shirts. I want to copy this ID of numbers right here, this line of numbers. Oh crap, the bell rang. And then paste that in there. And as you can see, it'll let you wear the shirt. Now you'll also want to do the same for pants. You'll want to do that, and then use that ID, and there you go. So this is SCP-049. If you want to do SCP-049J, you'll want to do this hat right here. And just for fun, you can add hair too. Of course, as we should know, SCP-049 doesn't have hair, but I just do it just because it looks good. And then, of course, you'll want to do the mage setup, do a superhero run. For the jump, you'll want to do superhero. And then for swim, do stylish. Okay? Now, of course, if you just want to do the regular SCP-049, you can just do that. Then this is the kind I use for SCP-049. But anyways, when you're done, you can see I've already written the name. It's SCP-049, and I wrote "I am here," because as you should know, that's the famous voice line for everything like that. And of course, my friend Nazareno has joined the game. And as I've mentioned before, he is my friend Mazen Al-Said in my update video when I got hacked. Anyways, yeah. So that's how you do SCP-049 and SCP-049J. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. That would be awesome. I'll see you all next time. Stop sharing.